Looks like we have a mail call. All right, 2 big old boxes from Amazon. What do we have in here? Let's check it out. See if we can open these one-handed here with some scissors. See what surprises await us. All right. Ooh. Got some packing. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's take a peek at these. We'll come revisit them later. Check that out. Some rock candy. I just thought this would be a cool... Oh, they didn't pack them very well, but cool series for a collectible maybe. We'll have to go over those. And this is the one I really wanted. Yes! Look at this guy. How amazing is he? Cool! Mr. Stay Puft Marshmallow Doors XL. Alright, so that was box 1. Let's see what's in box 2. Actually, let's put this packaging and cardboard back in there. Let's move over to box number 2. This one is going to be fun. I just know it. Alright, box 2. What do you guys think it is? Okay. I'm going to cut this. Do a little cut here. Alright, you guys are getting close up in there. Getting that hard work. Getting this box open. Alright. Look. Ah! Dr. Seuss. Oh, Horton. Look. Oh no, the box is like majorly dented right there. Oh. So, love to collect pops. Stinks when they don't come in the best condition, but I'm not too terribly upset because I will definitely be keeping these. And these are more for my own display and viewing pleasure because I think these Dr. Seuss ones are pretty awesome. Oh, cool. Anything else in there? Just a coupon. Okay. Oh, if you guys want to know, Clark Toys. This is where I got it. Cool. Well, we'll get these things set up and take some good pictures. Alright, be back. Deuces.